Yeah. Very nice to meet you here today, Stephanie. I'm just wondering, this is like, I remember last time when Ali Expo came to New Zealand and Australia was in like 2019. Is this the first time for our brand to come to this expo, or it's like you have been here for a couple of times before?
I believe it's the first time that Kaneka Ubiquinol have been to Ali Expo. It's part of their recognition too from the Alibaba Champion Ingredient Award of 2023 and 2024. But yes, we're very pleased to be here.
It's really good to hear that it's from the Champion Awards, from the Champion recommendation, right? Yeah, so could you please just briefly give us a brief idea of how what are the most recommendation products from our brand, and and interesting things or history from this brand?
Yeah, sure. So Kaneka was established in about 1949, so way before we were all born. They created a special, unique patented process to create ubiquinol. So it's from a fermentation from yeast, and it wasn't until 2008 that they worked out a process to actually stabilise ubiquinol. So coenzyme Q10, which is what ubiquinol is the active form of, it's quite unstable. And they've worked out a process to be able to keep it stable, to be able to be put into a supplement, so we can benefit from that supplement and take in the active form of coenzyme Q10.
So you just mentioned there's some techniques breakouts through the development of this brand, and also there's really like active component in this product. So which specific field will our brand be enhanced about? Like, is it specifically for women or?
Yeah, good question. So ubiquinol is the active form of CoQ10, as I said, and that's involved in producing energy in the body. So every single cell of our body, yes, has little engines called mitochondria, and ubiquinol is a key or vital cofactor for running these engines and providing fuel for these engines in order to run the cells and our organs, and then for our whole bodies. So it's a way we function, like putting petrol in the car. And so who can benefit from it? Pretty much everybody. Ubiquinol levels in the blood have been found to peak at 20 years of age.
So it's at a pretty young age, actually.
Pretty young, right? And so then as we age, they naturally decline, or our production of ubiquinol declines. By the time we're about 40, the heart levels in particular have declined quite a bit. And then when we're 80, heart and lungs, kidneys, liver have all declined. So they're the sorts of reasons why supplementing with ubiquinol can help as we age.
Exactly. So it sounds like a supplement which can basically applies to from like 20 to 80, all people from all the age stages, right?
Yeah. So key areas would be heart health and heart function and supporting that. Practitioners recommended a lot for fertility issues for both men and women, and obviously energy. So about 10 to 20% of the global population complain about being fatigued, and one of those reasons could be if you're over the age of 30 that your ubiquinol levels have naturally declined.